Welcome to the Research Services Introduction to Navigating Symplectic Elements homepage and menus. Log in to Symplectic Elements at oxris.ox.ac.uk using your SSO and password, or visit Symplectic Elements webpage and click the red Login button. The Elements homepage is where you land after you log in. It includes your actions, your profile, and tiles displaying summaries of your outputs, grants, and records of impact. To return to your home page at any time, click the Home icon in the left-hand sidebar. The My Actions panel lists key tasks for you. Scroll through the carousel using the left and right buttons to read each call to action. Every action includes a link to take you directly to the relevant page to complete the task. For example, click Claim Now to claim or reject outputs. To view your actions as a list, click the More icon at the top right of the panel and click the Switch to List View button. Use the scroll bar on the right to view all the tasks. If you prefer the carousel view, click the More icon and switch back. The Profile tile gives you visual confirmation you are viewing the data associated with your Elements account. It includes IDs of external profiles such as your ORCID, the email address associated with you in Elements, and the option to update your profile by clicking on Edit My Profile. Alternatively, click on the profile icon in the left-hand sidebar at any time to view or edit your profile. The lower half of your homepage includes tiles displaying information about your records of impact, grant, and publications. Each tile has a link for you to view all your existing records of that relevant type, and links to add new records are included where appropriate. The Outputs tile has an option to switch between viewing a list and a histogram of your publications count across time. To change the view, click the arrow buttons to the right and left of the tile. To choose which tiles appear on your homepage, click on the Configure Homepage icon at the base of the sidebar. On the Configure homepage, decide which tiles you want displayed. Click and drag the tiles between the visible and hidden tile areas to control which tiles will be shown, and arrange the visible tiles in the order you prefer to view them on your home page. Click Save Changes when you have configured the tiles, then return to your home page by clicking on the Home icon in the left-hand sidebar. To open the Elements menu, click on the hamburger icon at the top left of the page. The menu is organised into tabs of key uses that flow from the personal to the administrative as you move left to right. The My Profile tab contains various areas specific to you. Please note the menu items available will depend on your roles within the system. For example, all users of Elements will see the Open Access tab. However, a researcher with no additional roles will see My Deposit section only under the Open Access tab. Click on the items prefixed with an arrow to jump to the relevant page. The Elements menu includes a search box at the top right. To use the search, click inside and begin by typing a key term such as deposit. As you type, the search box will return a list of matches in a drop-down menu. Click on the relevant match to open its page in Elements. To close the menu, click on the cross in the top left corner. The header bar is fixed on every page and includes links to key pages in Elements. Clicking on the Elements logo will return you to the home page. To the right of the logo, the Impersonate icon links to the Impersonate Another User page. If you have permission to impersonate a colleague at Oxford, you can find and begin managing their account from this page. To the right of the Impersonate icon are your notifications represented by a bell icon. Click on the icon and your notifications will pop up as a list. Click on View to the right of each notification to jump to the relevant page. To the right of your notifications is a link to the Elements Help page represented by the question mark. Click on the icon to jump to the Help page. The information on this page includes links to user guides, the research services and open access at Oxford websites, plus the email address for contacting the Symplectic Elements Help Desk at Oxford. Click on the arrow beside your name at the top right to sign out of Elements.